Hey, this is Shannon. Remember, before we dive in, if you like content like this or my posts on social media like Facebook and Twitter, remember to hit that like button and subscribe. You can also check out my website, shannonbag.wixsite.com/mbrs, for my customized readings. You can check out my custom products where I make 4-leaf clover bookmarks and money art, as well as my shop where I already have money art displayed, my recycled rugs, and other cool items. So let's get started into this video. So you want to know how to make a money tree. The first thing you're going to want to do is start with money. You're going to need a lot more than you think you do. So below, I'm going to leave in the description how to make a money leaf. We're going to turn this dollar into a money leaf. You saw I just folded these edges down to the bottom. And this is not a how to make a leaf tutorial. This is a how to make a money tree tutorial. Again, I'm going to leave a link in the description for a better tutorial video of how to make a money leaf. But you see I folded this in half, and then I folded to both creases. And then we're going to fold into both creases again. And you're going to do it in 16ths until you get something like this. Then you're going to take one of these pieces of wire. So this wire, when cut into fourths, costs about 5 cents a piece. And you're going to get something about this size. You're going to take your wire and you're going to wrap it around the bottom. And then you're going to fold over. You're going to, as soon as I can, you're going to fold this over until you get something like this. Press this real hard together and then wrap it around until you get something that looks about like a money leaf should. Again, there's a better money leaf tutorial that I'm going to link. Then you're going to take a cone. So this came in a pack of 2 for $5.58. So divide by 2. It's $2.79 a piece. You're going to take your money dollar, you're going to stick it into the bottom, and you're going to go round and round and round and round and round until you get your money tree. So this money Christmas tree costs about $175 in total and is available online on my site. You can contact me. It is local delivery and pickup only. I cannot mail this because money gets stolen in the mail. If you like this video, like, subscribe, all of that wonderful good jazz, and thank you so much for watching. A big part of what I do requires funding. That's why I sell products online. I book readings, and I ask for donations from lovely people like you. If you do enjoy my stuff, you can go to PayPal and send shannonbag@gmail.com. You can do Cash App, hashtag Shay, KMB, SHAYKMB, or on my Patreon, which is shannonbagmbr. You can follow me on Reddit and Pinterest and Instagram as well. I have 16 social media platforms. I'm sure you can find me somewhere. Thanks for watching.